Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about designing a zipper pouch that they have on Printify. This is the one we're going to do. I designed this on Canva and then put it on Printify. Alright, let's get started. So first you're going to see the image that I created on Canva, and then you're going to see what it looks like putting it on the actual pouch. So on Printify, you're going to type in pouch in the search bar, and this is what's going to come up. They call it the accessory pouch. It comes in two different sizes, the small and the large, and you can choose between a black zipper or a white zipper. Alright, so to get started, you're going to click on the Start Designing button. Okay, so what comes up first, if this is the first time you've been on this page, is it's going to give you designing guidelines, and just read through that, and then you can click on the screen and that will go away. Scroll down there on the right under New Design. So you're going to see the dimensions, which are 3000 by 3900. So then what you can do next is you can either download the template that they give you, which if you hit the download button that I have shown right there, what's on the other side, the downloaded template, it's going to give you the small or the large templates for either. What I did, because I didn't realize that's what that button was for, I probably should have checked, is I just took a screenshot of this page and then put it over in Canva and then just cropped it. So you're going to take that number and then you're going to go back to Canva, and in the section where it says on the front page, the button where it says custom size, you're going to click on that and then put in 3000, and then under height you're going to put in 3900 and then create new design. So you take that cropped image of the template for the pouch and then put it on the page, as you can see. Then what I did is I found the background that I wanted, which is that it's kind of a watercolor black. So I put that, made it fit into the bottom half. Now the bottom half of the pouch, or I should say the back of the pouch, is the bottom half of the image that you see. Okay, so the top half is the front and the bottom half is the back of it. Okay, so I have the back of the pouch, which is black. I copied that and then flipped it vertically and put it on the top. And you need to do that especially when you have actual images. So you see there on the bottom, for the dark academia print, you need to make sure that you flip it upside down. So it's going to look upside down, but when Printify puts it on the pouch, it's actually going to be right side up. So just keep in mind, or if you forget and you go in there, it's upside down, just go back to Canva and then you'll flip it vertically so it's upside down, and then it will be right side up on the pouch. Alright, so once you have your background image, what I did next is I went and found some images that I wanted for the front. And I wanted it kind of a 80s feel makeup bag, because it's a kind of a makeup bag for my purse. So I found those images. These have no background, they're just the image. So then what you do is you take it and copy and paste it, the images that you found, and you put them on the page where the pouch is. Okay, then what I did is I rearranged them on the front of the pouch so that they're not on the back. So that's how I rearranged them. So then I added my brand. Okay, so the last thing I did is I added a distress filter, and I made it so that they're the same. So the one is on the top, and then when I added it to the quote bottom, which is the back, there again I flipped it vertically so that when you're looking at the bag in person, they're the same. So here's the bag. You can't really see the distress, but it's just subtle enough, especially you can see it on here, but they're the same on each side. Okay, so it's not like the more distressed is up here, it's down here and down here. And that's only going to show up that way if you flip it vertically on Canva. Okay, so the other thing is right there on the layers section, you're going to see which item that you have on there is in front, and you can move them. So you see that that kind of small little mirror is in the back behind that bottle and the lipstick. And then that's when so like I said, the very last thing that I did was I put the distressed on top. Alright, so once your image is all finished and you're happy with it, you're going to go over to share and you're going to hit download, and then you're going to find the page that you want, click on that, and then you'll hit the download button. So once you've downloaded your image to your computer, you're going to go back to Printify, go to the section where you're going to create your pouch, okay? So then you're going to click on My Device. Now if you have any uploaded images, that's when you're going to click on my library. Those are what Printify stores for you. Otherwise, click on my device, go to your computer, find your image, click on upload, and then once you do that, it'll upload and then it will automatically go into the spot. Sometimes if you were off a little bit on your sizing, you need to fix it. If you do it exactly as they say, it should be fine. So then when you want to change either the size large, you go right there next to size and hit select, and you'll have the option to hit large also. The other thing that you can change is you can click on product variants, and you can change the zipper color, or I should say not have the option to choose when you go to sell it. Sometimes I give an option, like this one, I won't have white as an option for it because it looks better with black in my opinion. That's where you do it. You click on the product variant. So right there you'll have the option. So right there I unclicked the white zipper and then I just left the black zipper, and then you hit update. So then to see your image come to life, which I think is the most fun out of all of this, click on the preview button and there it is. So you have the front of the bag, and then you have the back of the bag, and it shows you the side, and then it gives you a close-up. This is like one of the best parts. I just love seeing, it's like it's your design coming to life. It's just so much fun. So then when you're done, you hit save, the save product bottom, the save product button. This isn't necessarily a tutorial on how to post or list, or I guess I should say this really isn't a video on how to publish your Printify, just kind of how to make the actual image on Canva to put it on your pouch. But I will tell you, here's your images. They're all clicked, and if you're happy with them, then you just scroll down. That's where you change the title, and you can add in the description. Okay, and then I'll show you again. Here is what it looks like in person. This is the small. The big is actually pretty big. Let me show you what the big, or I should say what the large one is. So here's the large. So it's quite a bit larger actually. And I made, I think, 3 or 4 other ones. They're up for sale. I think they're so fun. Anyway. Alright guys, well, I think that's it for today. If you guys have any questions about any of this video, please comment below or message me on Instagram, Joy O'Keefe Prints. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks. Have a good day.